In the dim-lighted theatre, an unseen hand breathes life into wooden characters, weaving stories that dance with emotion and imagination. Meet the professional puppeteer, a unique artist whose career is as much about craftsmanship as it is about storytelling. These maestros of the marionette realm must hone skills in woodworking, sewing, and painting to craft puppets that become the distinct faces of their tales. Yet, the challenge lies not only in the craft, but also in mastering the subtle art of emotional expression through these lifeless entities. Hear from seasoned puppeteers as they share their journeys, offering insights into how heartwarming interactions with audiences make every challenge worthwhile.